zuro ndabva kuchechi ndakatosvikokwira mumudzi ndikasvotse mama avocado yevanhu ndakabereka sechiwo ndaitemwa chikanda mbegi 1 ende anonunanga singaiti
Matilda.
asi muri kuwanda kunyengwa ndakakwira mumuzi ini nandikwirwe mumutire mumiri ndokwira ntegi inini baba I can do things zvekuti vanhu vatobofukira kuti ndinoita neni.
Matilda. Pona panoumira zvakana.
Panoumira muchichini baba?
Ndakabirwa.
Kubirwa? Kubirwa chii? Sei? Rini baba?
Matilda. So unombidza kuti nyaya yatekeshera manewspaper munews mese yakujamba zeko Matilda.
Ina hakuna munyaya yakanzi yatekeshera ina hapana kana chandakanzwa. Chii chaicho chaicho chakaitika nei baba? Kana delusion here.
Oh, delusion here. Delusion ina basi. This is good as it is.
Baba, chiyatsotsa rangu rechaizvo chaizvo zvakaitika mwoyo wangu wachisina kugadzika neni.
Iwewe, do you still remember ndichikudza zvemari yangu yeku club yandaitambira Harare Boss? Ndichitiva nemari yangu. Do you still remember?
Mari yamaifambira makore akawanda.
Yes. Paweekend patapfuura, they finally paid me. But Matilda, shit happens, Matilda.
Chii chakaitika baba? Hamusinyatsotsanangura zvirwere. Chii chakaitika baba? Muremba mataura pesa baba enhana yangu haisina kunyatsogadzikana. Chii chaicho chakaitika baba? Hamusi kunyatsotsaukana kutaura chii exactly what exactly?
Matilda pano pakasvika mbavha with big guns. Armed with big guns, Matilda. They disappeared. Matilda, zvaita ngati by scope, Matilda. And the money disappeared.
What? Hey, come on. There's no need of keep doing that every time when I snoop on you.
So you're not snooping on me?
Oh no. I meant poking on you, baby.
You might as well just call it harassment because now I feel out actually harass right now. That's exactly how it feels like.
Harassing? Oh, come on, November. Stop being dramatic. You know, I understand that you may underway. Try to understand. But you know to gender, baby.
Son.
Ndogo zama kwamba kuti asikwe problem pe even ndakubona kunokwambula babiba bali beafoni yabo he.
Andisikuhleta nomwalume on my phone, Eddie. I am working.
So, what's the purpose of yakujara phone yako ngandibona?
It's because I need my privacy, Kanandichi Shanda. I don't want anyone looking into my phone. Do you have a problem, Nero?
Oh, come on. Oh, no, I don't have a problem. In fact, sorry for intrude. Anyway, I was just checking with you. Did you see my article about Ndoro's robbery? I had to make it an exclusive feature, but when I heard about the robbery issue, I decided to make it news.
There we know. There's nothing news about article yako.
What?
And story yako is still like chingwa yumaru is like this robbery happened on Saturday, right?
And so?
Today is a Monday. There's nothing in your article just now you're running on with out there, and people know exactly what's in your article.
Armed robbers. Doctor Wandokita.
Ndo vakatora mari.
No. They didn't take any. They didn't take anything. They didn't take loot. They didn't take dollar. Nothing. But the money just disappeared.
Zviri kunenetsa kuti muri kuti pakapinda mbavha dzine pfuti asi havana kutora mari. And mari yakadisappear.
No, the same question around the Bunzai. Do you end up with the police? Same, you're asking the same question over and over and over again.
Nasi Monday morning, kuma past 7. Saka morning yamuri kutaura itoriya nezuro. Papa, I think zvakwana imbomira. Please. This is too much. You need to take a rest, Baba.
Zorora. How?
Chimboenda munogeza. Morara mubedroom menu. Then ndokumutsa kana ndagadzira breakfast.
No.
Everything in your article has already been reported.
Of course. And what's wrong with that? We are simply adding our voice on a trending story.
We are not adding our voice to a trending story when we are reporting what has already been reported by other outlets out there. About it. We are simply parodying, echoing, and making noise. It's not news.
Here's written, Mina. I thought he is the editor. Or maybe he just got promoted behind my back.
Mina, I am the copy editor. And I simply bless what goes on the site with my red pen.
That's exactly, madam. So do your job and bless my article. Okay?
I've already done my job by simply putting your article where it belongs, in the trash.
Really?
Really. Look, young man, if you want to make an impact in this career, stop following the crowd. Cut your own path and be unique. Go beyond the story. Dig beyond the story. Dig beyond the surface. Be inquisitive. Be hungry.
Kazothini? Ukhulukhulu uyakwazi khonokho. Ilambe kudala.
Anginandaba. God knows that. Just go out there, hunt. Get blooded for all I care. Just bring us the news that is juicy.
So Shama,
No problem, Portuguese. I'm patient. Yes, I got everything ready. So we don't have enough chairs here. Will it be a problem? Just come and stay in front of the machine.
Okay, sure.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
So what are we looking at?
Surveying footage from 8 to 9 p.m. Saturday night.
From where exactly?
2 hours away from Mr. Rose. We monitored the whole street with surveillance. Off-site surveillance.
Can you fast forward to where the action begins?
Okay.
Stop it. Hey. What time is that?
Okay, so this is 21:22. The suspect appears 21:23.
What is that car?
Residence car. Arikubva mugate mari achibuda unopa next pa listing roll. Ndo kukwanisa kwa kupinda kwakaita muroad as you can see there.
What you came out of nowhere. They appeared like some ghost.
Oh, okay, so zvakaitika vanhu ava pavakabuda muyard yevandoro vakatiza next kuemba vachijamba jurahoro vakapinda mujurahoro repanext ndobva vajamba zvekare vachibuda ndokusvika kwavakaita
Okay.
muroad.
That explains why Mfesi we delivered asina akaona anti. Can you stop there?
Okay.
Okay. Play. The MJ ended. Whose story was on?
Are we expecting them to develop AK-47?
No, supposed to. I mean, the MJ ended is in Havana Chimhowa.
Concentrate. So you are from there?
That's our patrol officer. Our control room is even heads up.
And your patrol guy, I'm going to see how I ended.
He had no reason to apprehend them. Control room had insisted him to keep an eye.
So what did he see? What did his eye see?
Exactly what we have just seen. Two suspicious men looking dressed in black.
Empty-handed.
So you're feeling for the old man foot?
No, but from the footage we just watched, these people are worried, so they did not have the loot on them.
How do you know? How big are the tasks?
Ndisandinamboita 100,000 but ndikuziva kuti munhu ane 100,000 aikwani majinzi avo zvavari kuita nemafambiro avari kuita.
But even what you get my sport bag, do you know what to make my sport bag to be? To go to find dreams on my lunch box.
Yes, I understand, but une $100,000 wodai soft. Vanhu havasikuratidza kana panika, they look disappointed.
I think I agree with him. The two robbers, suspect, I mean, mbitwabona mu video iyi tawana kutondesha muri vanhu vadzise imari pe. I mean, tawenunga urenda oupe ujise something like $100,000.
Exactly my point.
And let's check from the video nditwabona here. At 21:23 hours, when the suspects appeared just after the car had driven into the gate of the house corner. Hati mwapapona vandara kuti vari kulanga kini, hambo vari kuenda kunini. Meso avo onse ari property. Membonanga vandava varienda kunjira mung'anda and ambush the driver. Hatana njira mung'anda. So what I'm trying to say here is this. It's too risky for a Jew that held 100,000 with them.
And how can you be so sure?
I'm not sure. It's a journalistic instinct.
Come on, man, you're talking about instinct. A journalist? Who the hell are you? What are you doing?
Oh, I just said a journalistic instinct. That's what every trained journal needs. To smell the hiding.
What journalist were you saying? Yeah? What? You're under arrest.